My dear friends, when the kitchen is small, organization isn't just helpful, it is essential. A well arranged kitchen makes daily tasks easier, faster, and far more enjoyable. The best part, you don't need expensive solutions. With a little creativity and a few items you already have, it is possible to completely refresh your kitchen on a budget. One of the smartest ways to organize a small kitchen is by taking advantage of the walls. Open shelving helps free up cabinets and keep everyday items visible and accessible. You don't need to buy new shelves. Old drawers, wooden boxes, or crates can be sanded, painted, and mounted on the wall. Hooks are a simple solution that makes a big difference. They allow you to hang frequently used items like cups, ladles, and strainers. This keeps your counters clear and ensures everything is within reach while also adding a decorative touch to the space. Cabinet doors hide a lot of unused potential. The inside surface can be transformed into a valuable storage space. Pot lids can be organized using wood strips, plastic bands, and repurposed plastic holders. You can even cut white plastic bottles and fix them to the door to store cleaning supplies or small kitchen tools. Aluminium foil, plastic wrap, and baking paper are often hard to keep tidy. A simple solution is to store them vertically using PVC pipes or glass or plastic bottles are perfect for storing dry foods. Once cleaned and labeled, they can hold rice, beans, lentils, pasta, or grains. They help maintain organization while giving your pantry a clean and uniform look. Fruit storage doesn't have to be boring. Bigger baskets, bike baskets, or even unused pots can be repurposed to store fruits in a stylish way. This keeps produce ventilated and adds a natural decorative element to the kitchen. With recycled materials, you can create a custom cutlery organizer that fits your space perfectly. Besides being functional, it brings a handmade personal touch that makes the kitchen feel more inviting. The gas cylinder doesn't need to be visible. A simple wooden structure made from slats can conceal it while improving the overall look of the kitchen. The top star surface can also be used to display plants or decorative items. The sides of the refrigerator are often overlooked. Adding a narrow side shelf creates the perfect spot for spice jars and small containers. It is an easy way to gain storage without taking up extra floor space. Covering the trash bin with a wooden support helps maintain a cleaner, more organized look. It can also double as an extra countertop. If your sink area is open, a fabric curtain is an affordable and effective way to hide cleaning products, pots, and supplies, reducing visual clutter instantly. Keeping your kitchen organized doesn't require major renovations
or big expenses. With smart ideas and a creative mindset, even the smallest kitchen can become functional and beautiful. If you enjoyed these tips, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical ideas to transform your home. Thanks for watching.